Hello. As Canada's first ever Minister of Accessibility, it's my pleasure to launch the third annual National Accessibility Week, taking place from May 26 to June 1st. This week we celebrate the important contributions of persons with disabilities in Canada and raise awareness of the need for greater accessibility and inclusion. We know that Canada is stronger when everyone has an equal chance to succeed. We're building on the momentum brought forth by the proposed Accessible Canada Act and working with the disability community and Canadians across the country to find innovative ways to break down barriers and be inclusive by design. Join us in celebrating Canada's achievements and in vowing to keep the momentum going. Let's work together to strengthen our efforts and make decisions that will allow more Canadians to find and keep jobs, be involved in communities, and help grow Canada's economy. Our society is diverse and strong when we recognize the value of every single Canadian. When this happens, everyone benefits. Happy National Accessibility Week.